small orientation of our institution. So JMIT and JMIETI, both the institutions, they work under Seth Jayaprakash Mukhandan Institutions of Knowledge and Services, popularly known as MUKANTRO, which has its roots and rich heritage in education since 1946. If you see, we have a total of 29 institutions which span across a land of around 200 plus acres. At present, we have around 74 courses and placement offers have been generated year on year for the students. So these are the list of schools and colleges, hospitals which come under or which work under the banner of MUKANTRO. So as you see, Seth Jayaprakash Mukhandan Institution of Engineering and Technology, popularly known as JMIT, situated at Rador, was established in 1995. And similarly, JMIETI, which is also an engineering institution situated at Rador, it was started in 2012. So both of these institutions are the engineering institutions, and we are affiliated to Kurukshetra University. We are approved by AICTE and DTE. So these are the courses we have at JMIT and JMIETI combined together. So we do have BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. We have BTech in Information and Technology. We have a course of BTech in Electrical Engineering, BTech in Mechanical Engineering. We also offer BTech in Civil Engineering. And a new addition has been done recently, which is BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. We also have Bachelor of Computer Application, BCA. We have BBA also, that is Bachelor of Business Administration. And in Masters, we offer a course of Master of Business Administration, popularly known as MBA. So these are the courses which are available at JMIT and JMIETI for the students of 10 plus 2. Moving ahead with how do we differentiate ourselves with other institutions in the same belt, in the same region. So as per the need of the industries, we have established different center of excellences, wherein we provide hands-on training and practical exposure to our students. Because we don't believe only in theoretical learning, we believe in practical exposure. We provide hands-on training on different tools and techniques which are in demand right now to our students. So as you see, we have the Center of Excellence of Robotics. Next, we have Texas Instruments and Innovation. We have MATLAB. We do have industrial instrumentation and automation. We have a quality control and material testing lab for the civil engineering students. We have Daikin air conditioning. This is for mechanical engineering students, wherein they get hands-on training and experience and exposure on how actually air conditioner works and they get installed. Recent addition that we have done looking after the need of the current situation, that we need to record our lectures, we need to publish those lectures to the students who are unable to attend online classes regularly. So we have established this recording studio in our campus, wherein all the teachers do record our lectures so that those lectures could be easily shared later on with the students who do not have connection or who face internet trouble during the classes. These are the clubs we have in our institutions. So at present, total of 43 clubs are there in our institutions. So these clubs actually are established by our students only. These clubs are there to provide them exposure and to give them an opportunity to actually learn managerial skills. So these clubs are actually developed and administered by students only. They are categorized into 3 categories. First is the technical clubs, wherein they learn the technical skills which are required as per the industrial need. At present, we have 20 such clubs. Then we have the PD and placement clubs as well. These clubs actually provide them a platform wherein they can actually get themselves improved in their soft skills and wherein they get capable to be placed with the company. Next, we have a category of hobby clubs. In this, we have a total of 10 clubs. So I would like to share with you a few of our achievements. If we look at our placement record in 2020-21, the current year, we have been able to provide a placement offers of around 297. 221 students have been placed in different organizations. And we are proud to tell that we have IAS officers, IRS, IFS, and IAS officers who have done their graduation from our school, from our institution. And if we see TCS, this is one of the renowned consulting organization. And this year we have been able to get our 35 students placed with TCS. This is one of our proud moments, the highest package which was received by Mr. Naveen Arora. He is a CSC student and he has got a placement in Flipkart with a package of around 26.7 lakhs per annum. We have been awarded with a gold category award by AICTE CII survey. May I request everyone to keep their mics off so that there is no disturbance in the background. Rajneesh sir, I request you to put everyone on mute mode for a while. So this is as per the AICTE CII survey of industry-linked technical institutions, which was done in 2020-21. So we have been awarded with the gold category award, which was based on our skill-based education, our placements, and center of excellences. This is one of our proud moment once again, according to Times B School BBA Education Ranking Survey, which was done in 2020. JMIT has been ranked amongst the top 5 emerging BBA institutions in India. I hope we all know about Smart India Hackathon. So this is a national level competition which is organized by our Honorable Prime Minister every year. So in 2020 software edition, we are proud to tell that 2 of our teams have been able to achieve the success. One of our teams worked for Government of Sikkim in the competition and secured second position. Another team named as the Decoit 3.0, it has worked for Ministry AICTE Student Innovation in the competition and secured fourth position. If I talk about the achievement of last year, one of our teams has secured first position with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees in Smart India Hackathon 2019. This is the same event which I have told you about. This is a national level competition wherein all the engineering institutions, including IITs, NITs across India, they participate in this competition. And we are proud to tell that our team members have been able to bag the prizes and they have been able to raise the level of JMIT and JMITI at national level. So that was about our institution. Thank you so much for listening and for being a patient listener. I think we should now start with the session. So before we move ahead, I would like to introduce you to the first speaker, first trainer. She is Ms. Nisha Raheja. She is currently associated with JMIT as assistant professor in IT department. She holds an experience of about 10 years in the field of teaching. She is also certified by Coursera and MOOCs platform. Today she'll be imparting training on Powtoon, which is an animation software to create animated presentations and videos. So I would like to request her to start with the training session and wish you all a wonderful learning with her. Over to you, Nisha ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. A very good morning to everyone present over here. I'll just deliver a session on Powtoon, which is a basic digital tool that can be used for preparing the presentation. So before starting, let me share my screen. Just wait. Is the screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, Nisha ma'am, your screen is visible. So you may go ahead.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the Powtoon. It's a visual communication platform that can be used to prepare the PPTs for the presentation using the cartoonic characters. So Powtoon, as the name indicates, Powtoon, it's a combination of two words, the Pow and Toon. Pow means PowerPoint presentation and Toon, that is basically the cartoon. So you can add the cartoonic or animated characters to your PowerPoint presentation using the Powtoon tool. Powtoon is basically a visual communication platform through which you can create your professional looking PPTs and fully customized video. So Some awesome numbers about the Powtoon is it was founded in 2012 and over 30 million users are using the Powtoon and over 85 million Powtoons have been created already. All over the world, 85 million Powtoons have already created. Next, we have the some awesome facts about Powtoon. It's very fast. As you can create any of the PPT, any of the presentation, any of the video, any animated video within just 20 minutes. So it will take only 20 minutes to create a video because it provides us with very ready-made templates available. You can just drag any character, you can just drag any of the prop which you want to use in your PPT and you can just drop on your screen. So it's very fast, only 20 minutes to create a professional looking video. Secondly, we help as Powtoon provides us various tutorials, various webinars which are live webinars available with us and several training centers are available through which we can get the training about the Powtoon and we can create the awesome looking PPTs with the Powtoon. Now, various stages in Powtoon. We have this is the very first screen that will appear in front of you when you open the Powtoon. So you need to just enter the address, the URL on the any of the browser. You need to click on any browser like Mozilla or Chrome. Then you just put www.powtoon.com. After that, this screen will open in front of you. It will contain two buttons, the login and the sign up. On the rightmost corner, you can see the login and the sign up screen. So if you don't have any account already built in Powtoon, then you can sign up with just filling your personal credentials. And if you have already created your account, then just need to log in into that. So this is the very first login page that will appear when you click on the login. So you can log in with your Facebook ID, you can log in with your Gmail ID which you already have, or you can create your own account with the sign up account, the Powtoon account. So after logging in into it, you need to just enter the email ID and the password. After that, click on login. After clicking on login, it will open the page in front of you, which is the home page of the Powtoon digital tool. So this page will appear with your name on the top screen as you have entered. So my name is Nisha. So it will just show my name on the screen. And these are the main menus which are appeared on the screen when you open the Powtoon. So next we have the slide panel. So this is the slide panel that will appear. This highlighted area is showing the slide panel which will contain all the slides that you have created. Like in the normal PPT, we also have the slide panel. In this, you can create a new slide, you can add a new slide, you can modify the existing slide, or you can duplicate an existing slide. Like if I have created a slide using this Powtoon, then I can just duplicate that slide in the same way as already I have. So I need not to create it again. Like suppose this, if I talk about this slide, this particular slide, I need not to create it again and again. Like if I have just inserted this character, this chair, this table, this laptop, and this picture. So I need not to create this slide again and again. I need not to put the drag the character and drop over here. So instead of using that, I'll just duplicate that slide and the same slide will appear in front of slide panel, which will show you all the slides that are available in the Powtoon. Next we have is the timeline. This highlighted area on the bottom of the screen will show you the timeline, which will show you the time of a particular character or an animated character on the screen. So like if I am showing this line, so it will show you which character will exist on the screen for what time and will enter at what time and exit at what time. So you can set the time accordingly. Suppose I want my character to enter at a particular time. So I can set through this arrow. I'll just move this arrow to a particular location. I can set the timings so that this character will enter on only at this time in the screen. And I just want, suppose I want this laptop to come after the character and the chair and the table. So I can set its timing accordingly. After these three objects, it will enter. And also can set the exit effects. Next, we have the sound control buttons to control the volume of the PPT. Suppose I have just fitted the slide and I want to add some sound or audio to this. So I can control the audio using this button as the same as the volume button. Next, we have the hands-on demonstration about the Powtoon. So I'm just moving to the hands-on demonstration, how actually you can work on the PowerPoint. This was just the presentation. So I'm opening my screen. Before going into detail, yes, ma'am.
Nisha, I'm sorry to interrupt you in between. There is some echo that we are getting from your end. Is there anyone else who is sitting along with you in that particular lab?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and I hope you are connected to one device only.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Is it?
Yeah, I hope it
Is
is
it
fine.
open?
Yeah, it's better than before. Yeah, please go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so I'm just starting, before going into the detail, I'm just starting with my video. So this is created using the PowerPoint. So just an introduction. So you can see it. So this video was created using the PowerPoint. As you can see, if I'm just introducing myself, hello everyone, I'm Nisha Reheja, working as an assistant professor and so, then I'll just, so only then I need to I'll just speak up and you just listen to it. But that will not be an interesting factor. So if I am creating using the PowerPoint, then it will be very attractive. Even to the students, it will be it will be an education with fun. So students actually enjoy using the PowerPoint. So we have this screen that will be open in front of you when you log in into your account. So after logging into, you can see this is the home page, which will contain all the things that are available with us. It is the workspace or the work area on which you can work to create a PowerPoint presentation. Here we have templates available. So this is the templates button. By clicking on this, you can see all the templates available with the PowerPoint. So I have clicked on it. So these are the templates which are available. It contains the feature templates, remote and office templates, educational, digital change management, learning and development, as you all are from the schools. So the education templates will be the much more interesting for you. So I'm just clicking on the educational templates. It will contain all the things that are basically related to the students or the teachers of the school. So it will contain the school syllabus. If you want to introduce the school syllabus, as you all are teachers, so I'm just clicking on it. I just want to show you this template. By clicking on it, it will just show you how you can introduce the syllabus to the students. So these are different things available with us. You can just change the text. Suppose I want to modify this template, this particular template. So I need to click on the bottom where I have added this template button. So by clicking on this, you can edit this template. It will just open in front of you a few slides through which this video is created, and you can modify these slides. You can change the text. You can even change the animated character, and you can add whatever you want into your slides. So this is the method to update or edit the PowerPoint slides. So this is the slide area that I already have shown you. Here all the slides will be visible. This is the main screen where the PPT will be shown to you. like this was the first slide that was opened in front of us. This is the character which you can change. Even suppose any male staff is teaching, then you can change this female with the male staff also. You can change the text by clicking on this. You can just double click on the text. If I want to change the text like hello my students, so I can just change and I can type hello my students. So you can change the text format also. You can change the color of the text using this color button. If I want to change it, I can change it. Even we can change the animated characters. Like if I have this character, by double clicking on it, I'll have different properties of this particular character and I can change them. Like we have the pose, she is saying hello. Her hand is like this. If I want to change the pose to any other, like she is thinking, she is happy, she is sad, she want to show aggression to the student, she is so much angry, so you can change the pose accordingly. This is the hello pose, this is the happy pose that will be shown to you. Like now she is so happy. You can also change the pose to the sad one. If she is having an idea in her mind and she want to discuss this with the students, suppose I'm just showing the thinking mode. She is thinking now, she is thinking something. In the same way, we have different poses. You can create your own character, whatever you want. Plus, you can flip the character. Suppose her face is on this side, I want to move that on another side. I can just flip by clicking on the flip. Now her face is on the rightmost side. Again, we have the settings. We can create different movements of the characters also. Like if I have this character and I want to create the movements, so I'll click on settings. You can create the effects by clicking on the effects. Whatever effect you want, keep like what will be the entering and exit effect the bottom. So I'll just click on this particular like this particular property, and after clicking on up, it will enter from the downward area. So it will just come from the bottom. When you play it, you can see it. She'll be coming from the bottom. So now she have entered from the bottom, right? So this is a slide panel. Even you can create your own characters. You can change the text. You can change the text buttons also, whatever you want to insert. But before going into that, you need to create. You need to change the like mode of this particular slide from edit to create. So you will just click on the create button. After creating, you'll see multiple tools available with us. Like these are the tools which are available to change the Powtoon video. The very first is the scene that you want to. Suppose I want a scene like I have the glass scene and I just want that it should be a trip scene or any other like any other picture in the background. So I can set it through the scenes. By clicking on this, you can select multiple scenes. We have several scenes available with us. It can be an office scene, it can be health and lifestyle related, like if you are doing yoga and you want such type of character. It can be the introduction session, like you can choose from the introduction. So suppose I just want such type of character. So yes, I just want to continue. It will just change the scene behind. So it's just the image that is changed in the background. In the same way, you can change the background color. You can change the text. Like this is the text available. I want to insert a text box over here. I can insert that using this text button. By clicking on this, you can choose the text elements, whatever you want, according to the shape and according to the size. You can select from this. Suppose I just choose this button. So I have selected this text box. By clicking on it, you can choose this. You can modify the text. You can double click on the text and it will just change the text. So I am saying hello everyone. So I have just changed. You can set the background color as well. If you want to change the background color, by clicking on this box and color, you can change the color of this particular hello button. So this is the method through which you can change, you can add whatever you want. We have the characters also. One more thing, you can create from the scratch as well. If you don't want such type of template available, you just want to create from the scratch, you can create that also. You just need to move to the workspace again, and you can create. Click on the create. It will give you the blank templates available. You can just create the blank template by selecting any of these, like horizontal or the square shape. Suppose I have selected the horizontal one. It will just open the blank screen in front of me. I can add one character on this. You can even add your own voice. You can add the music in the background. You can change the scenes. You can change the background color. So after that, you can choose the background if you want. If you don't want, you can just create a blank. Suppose I'm just choosing the whiteboard. So by clicking on the whiteboard, it will appear each and everything in the whiteboard shape. So I'm just choosing my character. This is the characters button. On the rightmost corner, you can see this toolbar, which will contain all the shapes, images, scenes, backgrounds, props, and characters and text available with us. By clicking on the characters, we can choose any of the character from this Powtoon. So it will just show you multiple characters that are available. So suppose I want the students, or suppose I'm just choosing these characters. You can select any of the character. By clicking on it, this character will be available into your PPT. And you can even change the pose by clicking on the pose. She is saying hello, and I just want her to type something. So she'll be typing now. She is working on a computer and she is typing something, so I have just selected this character. But she is not looking good while she is typing, so I'm just inserting a chair. You can insert a chair from the props. So you need to go to the props. From there you can select multiple props. We have several props available, like she is typing, because she is typing, I need a laptop also. So I'm just choosing a laptop. You can directly search by typing it in the search box. I'm just choosing a laptop. So it will show you all the laptops, all the images that are available of the laptops. So I'm just selecting one of the laptops. Suppose I have selected this one. Okay. So you can adjust the position of this particular laptop. You can flip it as well. So we have just flipped her. Now I'm just selecting another shape. So this is the laptop. I'm just flipping it on the other side, enhancing the size of it. So now she'll be typing on it. After that, you can add the chairs as well. So if I want to search a chair to make her sit on that particular chair, I can select a chair also. So it will show you all the props, all the furniture, chairs available. So you can select any of the chair from this particular section. So if I have selected, suppose this chair, this one. So you can select it. You can make her sit on this chair. You need to put her in the front. So by selecting her, you can put her in the front of. So by clicking on the settings, you can move her in the front. So this is the method through which you can create the templates. After that, we have the import button as well, through which you can directly import the PPT into your Powtoon. Like if you have created the PowerPoint presentation using a simple PowerPoint presentation tool, which is a Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation, you can directly import a PPT from there. You just need to click on import and import the PPT file. After that, you can pick any of the PPT from your desktop or laptop. So it will just move, it will just change that PPT into a video, that is the Powtoon video. So after that, we have much more tools available. Like you can insert the shapes, you can insert multiple shapes, you can create a blank slide from here. After clicking on the blank slide, it will just open a blank slide. You can insert any shape. You can change the background color as well. Suppose I want the color of this particular slide to be changed to any other color. I can select a particular color from this settings. So I'll choose the color. So this will change the color of the slide. So whatever scene you want to create, like if I want to create the scene of a class which will contain a blackboard and a table and chairs, so you can create that also. By just clicking on the ready-made templates, you can just choose, you can drag and drop a particular character. You can also insert the images, whatever image you want. You can insert the videos. You can even insert your own audio. Like suppose I'm just inserting a character and I want her to speak something in front of you, so I can just click on the sound button. After clicking on sound, it will open multiple sounds in front of you. You can select from these also, or you can also record your own sound that will be on a particular slide. So this is all about Powtoon. One more video I just want to show you about our the club activities. So I just want to show you the club activities which are going into our college. So we have just created a video of that also, the Powtoon video. That is having the embedded sound of one of our faculty members. So it will just show you the complete details of the club activities that are conducted in our institution. So you can just check it out. Hello everyone. Welcome to JMIT and DTI. Here we have different clubs.
Oh, wow. Can you let me know about these?
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. Welcome to JMIT and DTI. Here we have different clubs.
Oh, wow.
So welcome to JMIT. So we have just created our own voice. We have just embedded our own voice on this PPT. In the same way, you can create the Powtoons. So thank you so much. Shikha ma'am, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Nisha ma'am, for this wonderful presentation and session. So we have several queries, Nisha ma'am, which are coming across in the chat box. So most of the participants would like to know, Nisha ma'am, is it free of cost or do they need to purchase or upgrade the version? If you can give a brief of this.
Actually, we have 3 versions available with us. One is the free version, which I am using. It's the pro version. We have the monthly subscription version also. In the free version, everything is available, but you will have a symbol on it that will just show you the pro. Like I have created a character and it's showing the pro written over it. So whatever you create in the free version, that will one thing that will be displayed on the screen is created using Powtoon. You will have in the bottom of the screen, and every character will be shown with the pro. So whatever character you take, that will have the pro written on it. Like this is shown, and you have this pro written over here. Otherwise, you can create PPTs. But one more thing, if you have the purchased version, you can download all the PPTs which you have created. But if you don't have the purchased version, you can't download. You can just export the videos that will be displayed only if the other person who is having the Powtoon account. Only he or she can see that particular video.
Thank you, Nisha ma'am, for this answer. So do we have any other question? I request all the participants to raise their questions one by one. So before we move ahead with the second tool, I request the participants, if they have any other question, they may raise it one by one, or you may put down that question in the chat box.
Yeah, will you please repeat what you said in the last? Who can open the app, Powtoon? Only those who are having the account, only those can open it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That means it has to be online always.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. The one who is having an account on the Powtoon, before opening that particular PPT, he or she must log in into the Powtoon. Only then she can view your Powtoon video.
And ma'am,
Continue, Wayne.
And ma'am, what will be the subscription charges?
That's approximate 199 rupees per month. It's very, very cheap.
So it's a nominal amount, 199 rupees per month.
So that means we cannot use it in the class. Every child has to register it.
No, ma'am, but you can create your PPTs.
Your voice is not clear.
I request all other participants to keep themselves on the mute mode because it is creating an echo problem. Nisha ma'am, actually Monica ma'am wants to know that can we save these PPTs on our laptop so that we could share it in offline mode also with our students, or do we need to log in to present our presentations to the children?
No, ma'am, it can be only in the Powtoon. You can't save it on your laptops. You need to open your Powtoon account, only then you can show the PPTs.
Then I think it won't be useful for us to use.
Ma'am, it's only in the
Let's
purchased
pick our
version.
Okay, so in purchased version, in upgraded version, Nisha ma'am, we have this facility, right, wherein we could
Yes,
save
ma'am, yes.
our PPTs on the laptop.
Yes, ma'am. In purchased version, we can download our PPTs from
Okay,
the
in the purchase version, if we purchase, say we have given 199 rupees per month, so we can download it, and without internet connection, can we show it to the students without their getting it login into the Powtoon?
Yes, sure, ma'am. But there is a particular limit on the amount also. Like you can just download up to, I think 10 GB, not more than that.
So
Only
how
2
much-
GB, sorry.
How much does one PPT have? This thing GB has whatever, I mean MB or whatever.
It's in MBs. It's in MBs.
Yeah,
you
it-
can you can just download 10 to 15 PPTs maximum.
In a
So
month.
this is for 199.
Yes, ma'am.
So we must be having an upgraded version than 199 also.
So let me just repeat again. So if we take the if we purchase for 199 in 1 month, we can download 10 PPTs and we can show to our kids without their getting login in, and offline we can show them, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, I have a question that if you have any provision, if I am making and creating like this customized tool in this proper software, if I'm making any PPT, is there any way out like we do on YouTube also, we are downloading MP4 or in a export mode, we can download these videos in MP4 way or not?
Sorry, sir. Just repeat the question.
If I'm making this PPT in your suggested software, if I want to make in a export quality in MP4 way, in which I will get audio and video quality both also, is there any provision or platform to get this type of video?
No, sir. You can just export using the Powtoon. If you have the purchased version, which is the I think approximate 9.99 per for the complete subscription, if you want, then you can download more than 10 GB.
Nisha ma'am, is it possible for you to stop presenting from your side? I could show them the pricing list also from my side.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. So dear all, I would like to present you the pricing list for this particular software. Give me just 1 minute, let me present you my tab. Nisha ma'am, so it is in front of you. You may brief this to all the participants. Let me zoom in more. So I hope it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So this is per month description. You can see 2 GB storage is available only. You can just download only 2 GB PPTs and create only up to 2 GB storage. After that, it will just start hanging the version. And in Pro Plus version, we have the 10 GBs, which I have already tell you, which will have the monthly description. And if you purchase it from any agency which is creating the Powtoon, you can have 100 GBs, up to 100 GBs.
Yes, so a Pro version provides you 5 premium exports per month. Pro Plus version provides us unlimited premium exports, and agency, from agency, if we purchase this agency version, it is unlimited export versions we have. So this is the pricing list. 279 per month, 89. It has been raised recently. Earlier it was 199, and Pro Plus is 899 per month, and agency wala it's 1500 rupees per month. So Monica ma'am and sir, I hope it is answered. My answer, your question is answered now.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Monica ma'am, do you have any other query?
No, thank you very
Excuse me,
much.
ma'am, I have a query, ma'am.
Yes, Radha ma'am, please go ahead.
Ma'am, can this Powtoon presentation be shared with the kids? Or everybody has to log into the Powtoon to see that?
Yes, ma'am, you have to log in if you have the free version.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can just download and share it.
It can be downloaded like a normal PPT, right?
In the purchased version only.
In the purchase version, if we purchase and we make a Powtoon presentation, then we can download it and share it with the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So is JMIT selling this Powtoon?
No, of course, no,
No,
not
ma'am.
Monica ma'am. We don't have any tie-up with
I
this
thought
particular.
I thought you have made this. I mean, your teachers have gone this. I mean, made this app and all whatever.
No, Monica ma'am. We are actually giving a training on the free of cost version because we have been using it for our children also, and it is quite effective. So that's how we thought of sharing the same learnings with all the other faculty members of different schools.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so wish we also have this type of platform developed by our students in our institution. Then only we'll be selling it and promoting the softwares to all of you.
Ma'am, one more question from my side.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. You have explained very beautiful and customized this creative app also in front of all, highly appreciable. And I would want to ask, is there any other free of cost this type of creative app which we can use? So as the Kavat says, हिंग लगे ना फटकड़ी रंग चोखा. Can we use this type of another app? क्योंकि इसमें थोड़ा paid ना हो. कोई है आपको suggested ऐसी?
So we have several apps like these, but every app will have only a limited scope you can use. In the purchased version, we have everything. Like I have just named the Prezi. In that also you can create the PPTs. We have the Doodly and Movely with us.
Tingling is also there.
Softwares are available in which you can create the PPTs or animated PPTs, but all are just if you have the purchased version only, then you can have the free access to that, unlimited access.
Yes, my answer. So we have multiple other platforms also, which are the alternatives of Powtoon. But again, yes, as Nishana has already told you, that it costs to get ourselves upgraded. So as of now, we could not find any such version which is completely free of cost and which provides वही हिंग लगे ना फिटकरी और रंग चोखा वाला भी we have not been able to search out. But yes, if we get to know any such platforms, we'll definitely be sharing it with all of you.
Thank you
And
so much.
in case you also, sir, get to know, so do please share it with us also, which could benefit all of us.
Sure. Thank you.
So, dear participants, we have also shared the link to generate e-certificates and share the feedbacks of this particular session in the chat box. I request all of you to follow this particular link once we are done with the workshop. So, we're left with one more workshop which will be delivered by Mr. Rahul Sharma. So, should we move ahead with the same? If you're done with Powtoon. And if in case you have further queries, we'll be giving you time again to discuss your questions with the trainers. So let's go ahead and move with our next training session. Mr. Rahul Sharma, he is associated with Department of Management Studies as an assistant professor. He is MBA, MCOM and NET qualified. He holds an experience of around 10 years in the field of teaching with specialized knowledge in the field of finance. He has explored various facets of finance like financial management, behavioral finance, accounting and banking. So today he'll be discussing an application named Kahoot, which is a game-based learning platform. So may I request you, sir, to start with the training session?
Thank you, Shikha ma'am, for such wonderful introduction.
Welcome, Rahul, sir. Over to you now.
Thank you, ma'am.